You got your mama's sunshine. You got your daddy's.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Intersection, where food, travel, and arts meet. Now we're going to show you how to process this big slab of meat. This is beef, about 4 pounds, 2 kilograms. We will divide this into two, and then we'll make two dishes out of it. First is the beef tapa, and the other one is the beef jerky. Beef jerky is very useful for us when we travel. It's our go-to food when we want to keep driving, but we want to have energy or protein when we drive. So for the ingredients, we have the meat. This is the beef, around 1 kilogram of beef. We have the soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of garlic powder, another 4 tablespoons of onion powder, lemon. We are going to put shiracha, Worcestershire sauce, honey, salt and pepper, and chili flakes. Okay, let's process the ingredients. Let's start with this slab of meat. We're going to divide it, since it's really big, we're going to divide it into 4. This is going to be small jerkies because when the meat dries up, it tends to be smaller. You will try to make it thin, but not so thin that your meat might disappear when you cook it. So just thin enough so that when you eat it, it's like a bite size for us. Worcestershire sauce, and the goodness of honey. Okay, chili flakes. The difference of marinate of beef jerky and the beef tapa is that for beef tapa, we use actual garlic, but for the beef jerky, we use the powdered garlic and powdered onion, just because we want all the flavors to be absorbed by the meat, since we are not cooking the marinade with the meat. It's gonna be absorbed by the meat, and we will be putting it in the oven for 5 hours. And then we'll put half of the lemon. We don't want our jerky to be really zesty, but lemon helps the meat to be preserved, so we put half the lemon in there. This is optional, but I like to put a little bit of sake there. It will help the meat go tender. Let's mix them together. It smells so good. So you can't see. Oh, the goodness are absorbed well. And we will marinate this for 3 hours, the same as we marinate the beef tapa. And by then, we'll show you how it looks like. Okay. 3 hours had passed, and we're ready to dry our jerky. It has marinated well, and I can smell the garlic and the onion and all the spices in it. We are going to put it in this rack. This one will be put in the oven, and we should have a catcher, because as this dries out, there will be drips. We will place it one by one there. We'll give just enough space for them to breathe. Want to make sure all the surfaces are out. Now we will put this in the oven for 5 hours. The oven is set to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. And then this one will be used as a catcher for the drip. Before we close the oven, we will put the spoon in between the door so that it will allow some moisture to come out slowly while this is cooking and drying.
So now I'm gonna taste the jerky. This is actually tapa, but it's jerkified tapa. So all the flavors have steeped through the tapa. Okay, I'm gonna try it. So as you can see, I just started to eat the tapa. It was very, very good. It was tender and it dried up really well. It had a hint of sweetness, saltiness, and spiciness that was well combined, and it was just so, so delicious. It's very good. The flavors in it are very concentrated. I like it. One thing, when you go hike, remember to bring some beef tapa jerky. Okay, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, we'll have our playlist here of all our other videos if you're interested in watching those. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!